Listen to me now. Mediocrity doesn't think of the following. It's so important for you to create something or you're waiting to receive. All the time you are waiting to receive something you don't have. Waiting to receive something you don't have shall be a way to spend your time in vain. I like to be positive enough to create something on your own. Scenario is not written yet. Scenario is the one you write constructively. People learn by experience. Experience upon experience, people come to understand how they need to be positive enough to create something on their own. To live such a thing